Folks, this is Karina Daniger coming to you live from Bayside Lakes, Florida. I'm here today. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. Wanted to tell you that we have another listing hitting the market right now to beat the spring market. So if you are looking to relocate or thinking about moving anytime soon, this is a spectacular house. What I would like to do, if I can see in the sun, is turn you around. Let's see here. We have it. The sun is just so bright today. Let's see if we can just turn it this way for now. I want to show you this wonderful driveway. Big, long driveway. We're at 1811 Winding Ridge Circle in Bayside Lakes. Beautiful front entry. And I'm going to take you on in so we can go see this spectacular 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage. It has had some really great updates. I'm going to try to see if we can flip it now. Hold on one sec. It is so bright and sunny out here in Florida today. If you're not down here, you're going to wish you were. So for some reason, Facebook Live is not letting me flip this back. So let's see. Oh, there we go. I think I got it. Wonderful. Okay, so here we have beautiful entryway into this house. We have columns, archways, beautiful sitting room, which is currently being used by the baby grand piano. When I turn you around, you're going to see the fireplace. That is coquina. We have a great dining room area. This whole house is tile throughout, so it is wonderful. We're going to go over here and take a walk through this doorway here, and you're greeted by the kitchen. And oh, by the way, say hi to Indiana Bones. If you come here for a showing, you can also get a selfie. And make sure you tag us at Your Brevard Agent if you do. This kitchen was updated. There used to be a long wall over here that had cabinets when my seller purchased the house a few years back. And she opened it right on up and did a stellar job with it. It is absolutely beautiful. You have nice deep sinks, beautiful white cabinets, the center island for cooking, nice big picture window going out to the back porch. Really nice high ceilings, if you can see way up there, really nice high ceilings. We have a deep pantry. Then when we go over here to the right, we're going to take a right over here. We have the laundry room off the garage, the 2-car garage, which is an oversized 2-car garage. We have the master bedroom, which has its private sliders out to the porch. And you have an upgraded ceiling fan, nice big space. And the owner also moved the closet door, used to be in the bathroom. She actually moved it here. And as you can see, it's kind of like a barn door. It's really chic and slick. So nice big deep closet in there. The master bath is nice and spacious. You can see it has double sinks. The garden tub, that is also a jacuzzi. Nice big walk-in shower. We have storage closet, and the door back here is the water closet. And then you have the really nice French doors going back out to the master bedroom. And as we circle back out, we're going to go over here to the right, passing Indiana Bones. Say hi to Indiana Bones. We're going to come through the living room. And once again, just to give you a closer view of the living room, you can see the fireplace on back over. Nice, big, open, spacious floor plan. Wonderful. Now, we're going to take a right over here, and you have your own little suite with a private bath. So you have a nice tub shower. You have a door out to the porch. And then when I spin you back this way, you're in bedroom number 2. Hey, Lindsay, nice to see you out here. And it has nice deep closets on the side, and you have views out to the back yard. Now, as we take a right over here, we're going to come on through. And we're going to take a right, and we are in bedroom number 3. And this bedroom is quite spacious. She's got a lot going on here, but it's tastefully done. And you have more great closet space. And the window is actually to the side yard. And the nice thing about this development is that there is a lot of space between the houses. This is a very big yard back here. Here's bathroom number 3, another tub shower, very cute pedestal sink, great colors. And then finally, we have bedroom number 4. And this bedroom actually has 2 nice windows, one looking to the front of the house, one on the side of the house. Just in case you want to get out of work today, you can actually jump through that hole and go on into another universe. So hopefully when you decide to do that, you'll come on over to our house and take a tour, because this one is wonderful. It's clean, it's updated, it's beautiful, it's spacious. It's by the Bayside Lakes community, so you have access to the community pool and the basketball courts. There's a community clubhouse, and lots of activities are always going on out there. We're walking distance to the schools, so that's great if you have kids in school. We have A-rated schools here. This porch is wonderful. It's nice high ceilings. It's actually quite spacious. We're quite a distance apart between the houses. You have a lot going on back here. So this is definitely a must-see house. I would love to help you get in. We're going to be listing here next week, Monday, Tuesday. So if you want to get in, give us a call. Otherwise, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year.